Amazing chocolate facts that all chocolate lovers must know. The smell of chocolate increases theta brainwaves, which triggers relaxation. White chocolate isn't technically chocolate, as it contains no cocoa solids or cocoa liquor. It takes approximately 400 cacao beans to make 1 pound, 450 grams, of chocolate. The inventor of the chocolate chip cookie sold the idea to Nestle Toll House in return for a lifetime supply of chocolate. M&Ms were created in 1941 as a means for soldiers to enjoy chocolate without it melting. Every second, Americans collectively eat 100 pounds of chocolate. The world's largest chocolate bar weighed 5,792 kilograms, 12,770 lb. Chocolate magnate Milton Hershey canceled his reservations for the Titanic due to last-minute business matters. There are potato chips dipped in milk chocolate. Eating dark chocolate every day reduces the risk of heart disease by 1/3. Chocolate can sicken and even kill dogs. Chocolate has an antibacterial effect on the mouth and protects against tooth decay. The average chocolate bar contains 8 insect parts. There's a pill that makes farts smell like chocolate. 75% of the artificial vanilla produced in the world is used for ice cream and as a flavoring for chocolate. When it comes to coughs, chocolate is more effective than codeine.